Good day, everyone. I'm Jewel, and this is Jewel Weather for today, Friday, November 22nd, 2019. What is making the big differences across the U.S. today? In the lower 48, light snow and freezing rain is possible. From the central plains to the northeast, locally heavy rain to move across the Tennessee Valley and the mid-Atlantic through this weekend. That's what we have to look forward to. Now, as we take a look at the NAM map, this is off of the European model. Of course, the white is snow, the blue is rain, the brown is sleet and ice pellets, and the purple is freezing rain. You see the timestamp down here? Let's turn it on. Now, the main weather system to impact us through Sunday morning is going to be a cold front, everybody. And it's going to be developing a wave of low pressure across the eastern U.S. And for today, light rain is going to traverse across the northeast and the mid-Atlantic. So look out up and down those areas. Some rain's going to happen today or tonight in these areas. Also, some light snow is going to be found across Maine and the interior northeast. Now, light snow will also be found further west across the central plains underneath an upper level low. And meanwhile, light to moderate rain is going to be impacting the lower Mississippi Valley as a low pressure system begins to strengthen along the cold front. Now, by tomorrow, Saturday, this low pressure system should enter the Tennessee Valley and then bring locally heavy rain from northern Alabama to the central Appalachians. Now, as the system tracks eastward and off the mid-Atlantic coast by Sunday morning, rain should spread into the southern New England area. Light snow and freezing rain will be possible across the northern edge of the precipitation shield from the Ohio Valley to the northeast. Elsewhere, the southern sections of the U.S. is going to be seeing temperatures rebound after several days of active weather. In fact, above average temperatures will, or I should say, should encompass nearly the entire western half of the U.S. ahead of the next weather system, which is looking like it's going to enter the Pacific Northwest by Sunday. Yesterday in Arizona, they had bad weather. They even had in the Phoenix area a hailstorm. So, folks, let's go check out the severe weather for today. Now, where should severe thunderstorms be today? We have this marginal area right here, as you can see, in Texas and Louisiana. Thunderstorms are expected from the southern plains into the lower Mississippi Valley today. Now, there is also a marginal tornado threat and potential for some strong winds with these storms. Hail today is not looking like too much. You can see right here, this is the thunderstorms. We'll go ahead and check out the tornado outlook. That's mainly for this part of eastern Texas and Louisiana, western and mid areas of Louisiana, where the tornado outlook is low. It's at 2%, but it still could happen. You need to be aware of it. And where the wind may pick up is in the very same general areas. So please be aware of this, folks, if you live in these areas and anywhere from Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Arkansas, and this portion of Oklahoma down through Texas, you might have a pop-up thunderstorm to occur. So just keep your eyes open and be aware. Now we have a check of the GFS map this morning. Now, I told you yesterday I was going to try to get a little work done to see what the Thanksgiving forecast would look like. This isn't exactly for Thanksgiving Day. This is going up starting the first of the week through Wednesday, right before Thanksgiving, for everybody traveling. That's what I'm going to be talking about. So I'm going to turn this on and just let it roll through. Now, it looks like we got a developing surface low that's going to be happening in the central U.S. Tuesday, and it may bring a period of heavy precipitation from parts of the central plains to the upper Midwest and the Great Lakes area, with snow possible on the northern edge of the precipitation shield. Now, as the surface low lifts into the northeast on Wednesday, there is that potentially significant area of snow that's going to be possible across the northern interior New England area. And through the given uncertainty with this system, it's way too early to let you know how much snow may fall. But it should fall in the northern interior New England areas. When it gets a little closer time, I'll be able maybe to get you some amounts. Now, depending on the surface low intensity, a period of high winds may also accompany the system. Rainfall will also be likely along the trailing cold front as it moves from the lower Mississippi Valley to the southeast, Tuesday through Wednesday. So if you're traveling first of the week for Thanksgiving and you're in these areas, be aware. Now, across the west, heavy snowfall is likely in the higher terrain of the Washington, Oregon Cascades, the Sierra Nevada Range, and eastward across the Great Basin Rockies, both with initial shortwave crossings in the region coming up Monday. Now, even more so with the amplified troughing developing over the region by late in the week, another round of potentially heavy rainfall is possible across the southwest by mid to late next week. Now, rainfall is also developing this coming Friday, tomorrow, eastward into the southern plains, and also by the end of next week in the same areas. And colder temperatures across the west will accompany these systems now, with daytime highs 10 to 20 degrees below normal across the Great Basin and the northern Rockies. So if you're traveling, this is what it's looking like is going to be happening. Be safe and be aware of what's going on. Thanks so much this morning for joining me at Jewel Weather. I appreciate it so much. I love all of my subscribers, and I thank each of you for everything you do for me, subscribing to my channel, watching my videos. Whatever you do for me, I appreciate it, folks, so very much. I care about you deeply, and I want everyone to stay safe. So, with all that said, have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends, and peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching.